Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. Today I will show you how to use datasets based on a project that we have created in previous videos. So if you're interested or unfamiliar with test containers topic, you may check that out. I'm going to show you how to initialize your database for test purposes using datasets. So let's begin. First of all, we need to add some dependencies to our build Gradle file. I will get this from Maven repository, Spring Test DB unit, and DB unit. We need to reload. Okay. And as it says in Spring Test DB unit website, we need to provide data source bin to be registered in our test context, but we won't provide, as it says, username and password like this. We will provide this from our test container. Okay, so we need to create new class. Configuration for test bin, and now we need to provide name for this bin. It can be DB unit data source, public data source, now we will set URL, username and password as it says in Postgres test container class. Here we have set these properties, so now we will use exactly the same thing, but we will replace set property method with get property. We will use Hikari data source and build. Okay, so this is our bin. For our test class, we need to provide some more annotations that are declared here, but I think we may not need the first one. So we will try with just these ones. We need to add this configuration that we have created. I will just copy from the side. We may copy the name of the bin and set this here. And we need to add database setup annotation that we will give path to our XML file with our records. I will add new directory resources and data as it says in our path, and file products.xml. Okay, here we need to create data set and products. Why products? Because it is the name of our table. And now we need to define our columns. So it will be, for example, 1 and name, for example, milk. Okay. So it says here that the list should equal 0, so it should be empty list. But if we will run this test, it should fail, because we should have one product in our list. Yeah, everything works. So now I can replace this with 2 in 2 elements list. We will add one more, so I will show you how to add the second one. Oh, sorry, wrong name. I have just changed the name of the test. and test passed. Okay, and now I will show you that if I will write the same ID, we will have an exception. Yes, and there is an exception because primary key should be unique, and as it says, there is that duplicate key value that violates unique constraint. Okay, so that's it for today. If you like the video, please comment, share and subscribe, and see you later.